Hello people, so this is our USB charger. You can see it has 10 ports. You can see everything I've been charging on it. My 2 induction lights, my mini fan, even my Bluetooth. You can see them all. You can see, and there's still spaces for more. So this USB charging port is very nice and it's very fast, very fast. So it's still available. Get yours for shikini money. Now you don't need to start looking for socket up and